Sample general terms question. Which of the above terms refers to a person who makes and subscribes his signature to an affidavit? To answer this question, let's have a look at the definitions and general terms section of the Notary Public License Law, particularly the term affiant. And it states here that an affiant is the person who makes and subscribes his signature to an affidavit. And by the way, an affidavit is a signed statement duly sworn to by the maker thereof before a notary public or other authorized officer authorized to administer oaths. So with this in mind, let's have a look at our four choices to determine our solution. Choice A states affiant. Well, that matches what we just read from in the definitions, and therefore choice A seems to be our solution. But before we mark it as such, let's have a look at the other three choices just to be certain. Choice B states administrator. Now, an administrator is a person appointed by the court to manage the estate of a deceased person who didn't leave a will. So that is not the name of the person who subscribes a signature to an affidavit, and therefore choice B is not the solution. Choice C states deposition. A deposition is testimony of a witness that's taken out of court or another hearing proceeding under oath or affirmation before a notary public or another person, officer, or commissioner before whom such testimony is authorized by law to be taken. Again, that does not describe the person who subscribes his signature to an affidavit, and therefore choice C is not our solution. And finally, choice D states contract. A contract is an agreement between parties to do or not do certain things for a legal consideration, whereby each party acquires a right to what the other possesses. That as well is not somebody who subscribes his signature to an affidavit, and therefore choice D is not our solution, which leaves choice A, affiant, as the correct solution.